Hi folks, we have here a Permobil M3 power chair. This power chair has the seat lift, the tilt, the recline, and the electric feet. This power chair has 83 miles. It was used for about 4 months, barely broken in, 83 miles, like new. It has, again, the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet. It has all kinds of other features which we'll cover as we go along. But the first thing we'll do is show you the features, the seat lift and all that. So to make the seat go up, tilt, and all that kind of good stuff, you can do it through the joystick or through the switch box. I like to use the switch box, it's quicker for me. So if I hold the first button down on the switch box, you'll see the seat lift start going up. So you'll see the seat going up. So you're going to start roughly at 22 inches when you're down. By the time you're all the way up, you'll be at 34 inches. You'll be eye level, so you'll be able to drive the chair with someone, looking someone in the face, eye level. This is also great if you need to see further, you need to do your dishes, you need to grab stuff from the second cabinet. It has all kinds of benefits for the seat lift. And the nice thing about this chair, even though the seat is elevated, you can still drive the chair, as you can see right here, at a reduced speed, of course, with the seat elevated. So while we have the seat up, let's look at the base since it's elevated. This is a mid-wheel drive chair, so that means the drive wheels are in the middle. When you have a mid-wheel drive chair, you always got to have a wheel on the ground in front and a wheel on the ground in the back to keep it stabilized, because all the center of gravity is in the middle, okay? So there's a suspension back in here you can't see in the video, but these are Permobils. They have some of the best suspension on the market. This power chair has 14-inch wheels. They're non-skid. They're not going to mark your floor. You have an anchor point here and another one inside of here. This is where you would secure your chair if you're going to transport it. You got two on this side, two on the opposite side. This chair has two motors. Okay, let me turn the chair around so you can see the motors. These are your motors right here in front. Okay, so these motors go from the front all the way directly to the wheel. No chain, no belts. This is why these motors are so quiet. They go directly to the gearbox. If I want to push this chair, well, I can't push it because it weighs probably about 450 pounds. But if I want to roll the chair, all you have to do is turn the power off. And the reason you want the power off, these are electric motors. You want no resistance. So power off, and you would go right here to the top of the motor. You see a little screw right there. You see there's a little handle. If you push it in, same thing on this side. Now your chair is in neutral, as you can see, okay? That's how you put the chair in neutral. When you're done, always put it back in gear. So those are your two motors for this chair right there. So let's turn the power back on. Let's put the chair back sideways so we can see in the video. So now we've got the seat elevated. Let me show you something else too with this, what's nice about these seats. Let me bring this seat halfway down. So I'm bringing the seat down now. I'm going to go halfway down. Okay, I'm going to bring the feet in. So if you have someone who has trouble getting out of their chair, when the seat's elevated like this, look, they can just push off here and they're already standing. So they don't have to push hard to get out of their chair. So this helps getting out of the chair. I'll put the legs back out a little bit so where it looks more normal. Bring the seat all the way down. Now this chair also has a swing away joystick, so if you can get a lot closer to a dining table without damaging your joystick. If you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side with no problem. The next feature I'm going to show you is called the electric tilt. The electric tilt, well, I want to show you this also. This chair has what's called anterior tilt, which I didn't realize it had this. What that means is this also helps you get out. You notice how the back went up and now you're leaning down. This is called anterior tilt. So this chair has 5 functions, folks, not just 4, 5, okay? So I'm going to bring the anterior tilt back down. As you can see now we're back level. And now we're going to do the tilt. The tilt, let me bring it back down. The tilt will be when the front right here goes back. Now we're going backward. This is called the tilt. This is good if you want to relieve pressure off your bottom, pressure off your back. There's a lot of good medical benefits on this. Or if you just want to relax, or you want to have some circulation in your legs. This is called the electric tilt. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the feet up. And remember folks, these are Permobil. These are the highest end power chair you can buy. They're fully, we can customize these chairs exactly to your body size. So we can change these railings. We can make everything larger, deeper. It doesn't matter if you're 5 feet tall, 280 pounds, or 6 foot tall, we can adjust these chairs. I want to show you how high the legs can go. Some of you like to have your feet up. That's a little extreme, but if we bring this seat back down, right about here, you can still have your feet higher than your body right here, okay? So far we've done 4 functions. We've done the seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric leg, the interior tilt. The last one we have left is called the electric recline. The recline is when the back right here, let me raise the arm. The back is going back, nothing else is moving. This is called the electric recline. A lot of people confuse this for the tilt. That's the recline, we already did the tilt. These chairs are so amazing. So it's a full recline that you can see, folks. If you were laying down in your chair, that's what it would look like. So I'm going to bring the recline back up. I'm going to bring the feet back down. I'm hitting 2 buttons at one time. You can do that through the joystick also. If you want to do the legs to come down, the back to come up at the same time, you can do 2 functions at once. Now I'm going to leave the legs out just because that's the way most people will drive instead of having it all the way in. You would have it all the way in if you were in the house. So I'm going to bring them back up. All right, folks. Let's talk about the chair. Another thing about this chair, folks, it has Deluxe 18-inch arms. These are 18-inch long. They're extra long, and these are gel. You can see I can pull the gel pad out. These are gel pads right here. You can feel the gel. They sit on this arm. This is custom, folks. Also with this chair on this side, you have a USB port right here. So if you want to charge your phone right here, you can charge your phone to USB port. The seat on this chair is 20 by 20. So as I said, it doesn't really matter what the seat size is. We can make it 16 by 16. We can make it any size you want. So it's a contoured back, nice cushioned seat. It does have a safety belt. Also, it has the extra large headrest. This is a really contoured headrest. You can't see from there, but you can probably see from here how contoured it is. It's all adjustable. The headrest is fully adjustable. This chair is also equipped with headlights. Look at this. These are factory headlights, so these are real headlights. You have the headlights in the front. You have the headlights in the back. You also have hazards. Left flasher, right flasher. So this chair is equipped with headlights from the factory. Also with this chair, when we ship these chairs, we always turn the power off. So your breaker switch is right here where my finger is, right here. So you see the reflector back here? All the way on top of the reflector, if you put your fingers up like this, you'll feel right there, there's a switch. Well, there you go. I just turned it off. That's your breaker switch right there. That's where you need to go. It is hard to turn on when you have it off, okay? So I turned it back on. I'm going to turn the power back up front. Now this is a mid-wheel drive chair, so it turns on its own length. So if you have it in the house, that's what you're looking at. When you charge the batteries in this chair, you'll take your Permobil charger. We'll use this one for example. This may not be the charger with this chair, but we'll use this one. As soon as this is where you plug it. As soon as the light goes to full or green or 100%, the charger will stop charging. These are smart chargers. They know when to stop charging. So let's recap. We have a Permobil M3 mid-wheel drive, teal green. This chair has 83 miles. It was used for about 4 months. As I said, barely broken in. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric leg, and it also has the interior tilt to help you get out of the chair also. It has the custom 18-inch gel arm, the extra large headrest, the safety belt, the USB port, the swing away joystick, the headlights, tail lights, anchor point, solid tires, suspension. Folks, this is the top of the line in power chairs. So if you want total comfort, multiple positioning, this would be one to look at. So this is the teal green M3 Permobil. Top speed that I've seen on the reader is 6.3 miles an hour. 6.3 miles an hour, and when you stop, it stops within a couple feet because it has electromagnetic brakes in the motors. When you ride one of these, you'll be able to tell the difference between a heavy chair and what kind of Sorry about the planes. And there's no problem in the grass, because right now we don't have a lot of grass. It's kind of winter here, or I should say spring. So this is the M3 power chair. If you're going to ride it in the grass, as long as you have a good bottom in your grass, it's not sandy, you should have no problem at all. I'm going to elevate the seat. Now remember, this is the one that's got 83 miles. It was used for about 3 or 4 months, literally brand new. It has the gel arms. It has all kinds of features. It has the USB port, the 12-inch seat lift, the tilt, the recline, the legs, the interior tilt. If you're going to drive it with the seat elevated, try to do it on a really nice flat surface. All right, we're all the way elevated. Let's just turn the chair around and see what it looks like with the seat elevated. So 3.3 miles an hour, so it's faster than walking speed. Walking speed is about 2.5. So this will go 3.5 miles an hour with the seat elevated. So it has the headlights, just a nice power chair, fully loaded. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.